Okay, this is Jim at Ranger Station here. We are doing a slave cylinder on a 1989 Ford Ranger. Extend cab 4-wheel drive stick shift. And point out a few things. First, I've already taken it out. The starter's up there on the floor. And I'm going to take that out. What's up in there? Number 17 socket takes out the 2 bolts and whatever size for your power wire. Mine was 3/8. There's a wrench there, 3/8. Not like you really need to see that, but you gotta take your cross member down. There's a bolt there. Right there, and 2 bolts there. And I don't know if you have to actually take that off, but you do have to loosen it so you can move the cross member away. You got to take off your bolts for your drive shaft. Get up in. There we go. Take your speedometer cable lines off. I've already done some of this already. I was going to take a video before I get started, but oh well, better late than never, right? And you got your line right there for your clutch. If you don't have it external, most of them should be internal. And I'd already replaced this once, and it sat for a while, and then one day it wouldn't shift. Pedal was hard as could be, and I had fluid dripping out of there, out of that hole. And I went up through the inspection plug over here, which now I moved my light. Inspection plug there. Took an inspection camera and went up through there. I also had oil coming out of this hole here. The inspection camera showed that the slave cylinder was leaking again. So I don't know if I did it right the first time or if it just because it sat. But now it's got to come down again. Anyway, that's part 1. Well, I'm gonna do this too. Okay, you got your shift linkage there. There's a big nut and a little nut there. You gotta take that loose, and then that pin. I can hold the light and do this at the same time. You got a pin on this one here. That's the big nut, and there's the little nut right there. Also, you got to take off your wire for the backup light. And while you're at it, you might as well change that thing because they always go bad. You got a green, well, mine's a green wire harness up here. There's a connection on the top, which I think, oh yeah, it comes over here. Gotta unhook that other one there. And I think that's all the wires, but gonna disconnect it from the transmission. I've got 4 bolts that hold it together, and I'm still not sure if I took the exhaust down last time or not. You may have to do that. I'll let you know in the next video.